Welcome everyone. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. Today's another open house video here in the village of Summerhill. This is slightly north of Highway 466. This is a colony patio villa. It is a wood framed home. I hope you enjoy the tour. Welcome friends. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Today's an open house of a patio villa, a colony patio villa, here in the village of Summerhill. My name is Tim. Thanks for joining my channel. I will take a panoramic view of the street. This is a typical patio villa neighborhood here in the Villages, Florida. I will walk up toward the home. This home does have a 1.5 car garage. It is made of wood frame. It does appear to be in very good condition, and I will video the specification sheet. It does have a lot of nice mature landscaping here, and I will share you the particulars. It does have a 10 by 10 screened in lanai. Again, refer to your specification sheet for more information, and also contact Stephanie Smith at Remax Realty if you want more information. This is the lanai area. It is in very good condition, very high ceilings. It does have a cement floor in the lanai. I'll take a quick peek out the side yard. That is the side yard. This is the patio. This is very typical for a patio villa. It does have a sliding patio door. Let's go in and take a look at what this home has to offer. Here we are as I enter the foyer area. The first thing I notice is the very high ceilings. Not all patio villas have high ceilings. In fact, very few have high ceilings. The living room area does have carpeted floors. As I pan around, it has a patio door out to the lanai. Living room is in very good condition, very neutral colors. Here is the dining area, very well decorated. It does have acoustic textured ceilings, which is very common in these homes. This is a colony patio villa. You can tell by the U-shaped kitchen. I have done several other videos of colony patio villas. It does have oak cabinets in the kitchen. Nice laminate floors in the kitchen. It has a natural gas stove and a laminate countertop. This home is in very good condition. And as I pan around, you will notice that the laundry is inside. You can see the laundry, and there's a little pantry area up there. As I mentioned in other videos, these patio villas, the main difference on these colony patio villas are the height of the ceiling and whether the laundry is inside or not. And this one has high ceilings and inside laundry. Let's take a look in the garage. This is a garage. The garage, it has painted cement floors. It is a 1.5 car garage. You will be able to get a car and a golf cart in this 1.5 car garage. The golf cart would be on that side of the garage, and the car would be on this side of the garage. It does have a sink you can use to wash up if you're working in the yard. Let's take a walk back out into the kitchen area. That is an upgraded single bowl stainless sink. Very nice. Very nice. Taking another panoramic view out into the kitchen. I mean the living room and the dining area. The carpeting does continue into the hallway and into both bedrooms. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. You'll see off to the left is your guest or main bathroom. It does have the laminate floors. Has a single bowl sink. Very neutral, very high ceilings. Again, it's very difficult to find a patio villa with the high ceilings. The tub and shower looks like it's plastic or fiberglass. Very neatly kept. This home also has upgraded 6-panel doors. That's another thing that you need to look for on these patio villas. Let's go into the guest bedroom. It does have carpet, very high ceilings. The acoustic texture continues. That appears to be a queen-size bed to give you some perspective on the size of the room. It does have adequate space on each side of the bed. Does have a very large closet. Very nice. This home is really well kept. Off into the master bedroom. The carpeting does continue into the master bedroom. That is a king-size bed. To give you perspective on the size of this room, I will video the specification sheet, which will have the room dimensions. Please refer to the specification sheet. Also, please contact Stephanie, the real estate agent representing this home, if you have any questions about this home. That will be a walk-in closet. That's a panoramic view out into the kitchen area. Very high ceilings continue in this bedroom. Let's take a walk and show you the walk-in closet. This walk-in closet has a partitioned door. The way it looks, that closet is partitioned. It has storage shelves, and the partition continues in this part of the closet. So there is a secret door that partitions this closet, give you some privacy. I'll take a walk on this side of the room and give you a panoramic view of this side of the bedroom. Very high ceilings, very warm feeling, very cozy. That is the master bathroom. It does have laminate floors. It does have, I believe that's a 48-inch shower. Large shower, very large. The high ceilings continue. The oak looking cabinets. I think it's oak. It might be a different wood. Again, please refer to your specification sheet. It does have a single bowl sink. Very typical bathroom here. There is your commode behind the door. Very neutral colors, very warm, very cozy feeling home. Very good condition. Let's start walking outside the house. I will show you I did show you the side yard already. Let's exit. Another panoramic view. As I exit the home, I am in the lanai. Let's take a walk out of the lanai and into the street. That is a pan left. Beautiful landscaped home. Very quiet neighborhood here in the Villages, Florida. And I will let you know what direction this house faces. As I walk out to the street, I'm panning to the left. That is east. Beautiful pond. That is a retention pond there. And this is west, just to give you perspective. And that is the home. It is a colony patio villa. It is 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom. It is wood framed. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my videos. Take care. Here's a video of the specification sheet. This home is located at 3441 Cambria Circle here in the Villages, Florida. The price is $295,000. It is a colony patio villa, 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom, and it is wood framed. Those are the dimensions of your rooms. Again, please contact Stephanie at Remax Realty if you want more information. That is the floor plan of the colony patio villa. Thank you for watching this open house video here in the village of Summerhill, which is north of Highway 466. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, everybody.